Hello students, today we are going to learn new lesson, that is a surprise for grandma. Surprise means what? Suppose if anyone is giving you any chocolate or any gift, ओके जो हमको पता नहीं होता और हमें मिल जाता है. अगर तुमको पता नहीं है और तुम्हें गिफ्ट मिल रहा है, कोई गिफ्ट दे रहा है, कोई चॉकलेट दे रहा है, तो तुम लोग सरप्राइज हो जाते हो, तुम लोग हैप्पी हो जाते हो ना. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड surprise. And now here in this story the surprise is for grandma. Okay, now see, let's begin. Sunday is a holiday. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit grandma and grandpa. Now see, Sunday is a holiday. We all are knowing on Sunday what is there? Holiday is there. So on Sunday, now here two kids are there, Sohan and Sweetie. Okay, so what they decided? They decided to visit their grandma and grandpa. Grandma and grandpa means your grandmother and your grandfather. मतलब दादा दादी तुम्हारे. Okay, so what Sohan and Sweetie decided? To visit their grandma and grandpa on Sunday. So see, now they have come. Hello grandma, hello grandpa. What they are saying? Hello grandma, hello grandpa. Okay. So now see, grandma has been busy today. She has cleaned all the rooms. She has wiped all the windows. Now see, as we are knowing, on Sunday everyone is busy. Someone is resting, someone is busy in doing all her means all their homeworks. Okay, so now this grandma, their children's grandma, is also very busy on Sunday. Okay, as she was cleaning her all the rooms, she was wiping the windows. मतलब वो अपने घर की सफाई कर रही थी. शी वॉज वाइप्ड ऑल दी विंडोज़ मीन्स उसने सारे विंडोज़ साफ़ किए, पोछे. ओके, एंड शी क्लीन्ड ऑल दी रूम्स ऑल्सो. एंड सी, आर यू टायर्ड ग्रैंडमा? Let's give grandma a rest today. Just sit and have a rest. Now see what these children said. Okay, now their grandma is too busy. She worked very hard. Okay, so what they are telling? Are you tired? तुम थक गए हो grandma? Okay, then you just do a rest today. Okay, what these grandchildren said? This Sohan and Sweetie, they said their grandma to rest today. Okay, and just sit and have a rest. See, now they make her sit. Okay, उन्होंने उनके ग्रैंडमदर को बिठा दिया और बोला कि आज सिर्फ आप आराम करो, बैठो और आराम करो. ओके, देन देयर ग्रैंडपा, उनके जो दादाजी है वो भी इस पे मान गए. ओके, ही ऑल्सो सेड ओके नाउ यू जस्ट सिट. Okay, you just do a rest. So now what their grandpa said, now see, come on Sohan, come on Sweetie. Now his grandpa called Sohan and Sweetie. Now grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work in the kitchen. They are busy. Now as their grandma was very busy, she did means so much work in the house. Now वो थक गई थी, इसीलिए सोहन, स्वीटी और ग्रैंडपा ने क्या किया, उनके दादी जो है ग्रैंडमा है उनको बैठा दिया और बोला कि तुम रेस्ट करो. एंड दे ऑल ऑफ थ्री दे वेंट इन द किचन. कहाँ गए? वो तीनों भी किचन में गए. ओके, एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, they went in the kitchen and now they are very busy in cooking. Okay, they went in the kitchen and now they are cooking. Now see, come to the kitchen grandma, come and see. Now what? They went to grandma. Now they have finished all their work in the kitchen and now they went again back to the grandma and they said, now come on to the kitchen and see. Okay, they have finished all their work in the kitchen and now they are taking grandma to the kitchen to show what they have done. Okay, so now see, grandma went to the kitchen and now after when she went to kitchen, now what reaction she gave, what she said. See, oh, soup, sandwiches and salad, what a treat. Now as she went in the kitchen, she saw many things like soup, sandwiches and salad. Okay, so now all these things, there's grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie, they made for the grandma. Okay, and she got surprised, she got happy. Okay, so now grandma, do you like banana delight? Oh, I love it. Now what these children are asking, grandma, do you like banana delight? What she said, oh yes, I loved it. Okay, now see next. And now there's a surprise for you. Grandma, open this parcel. So now after their lunch, after they have taken the lunch or Okay, whatever they made, they have eaten everything, and now after that, what these children said, now grandma, one surprise is there for you. They have given her one surprise or one gift, we can say. Okay, and these children are saying her to open this parcel. Open this parcel means open this gift, they are saying to her. Okay, so now see, grandma, she opened whatever the children had given them. She opened that parcel, and what she said, oh, a mobile phone. What a surprise. But now see, after opening that parcel, grandma got surprised. Okay, grandma got happy. She got a gift. She got a mobile phone. The children gave her a mobile phone. Okay, what surprise she got? A mobile phone. Okay, but now what she is telling? Grandma, no buts. Now I know your problem. You don't know how to use this. But don't worry, we will all help you. Now see what? After seeing the mobile phone, grandma got a surprise. Grandma got a surprise. Okay, she got happy. But now what she said? But now what children says? No but. Now they were knowing that grandma don't know how to use a mobile phone. So what they said? Don't worry. What they said? Don't worry, we will help you. We will show you how to use this. Okay, we will help you to use this mobile phone. Okay, so this was the surprise for grandmother. Children gave a mobile phone as a surprise or as a gift to grandma. Okay, so now see students, here are some questions. See, answer the following questions. First, who are going to visit grandma and grandpa? So, who is going to visit grandma and grandpa? Sohan and Sweetie. Who has been busy today? Who was busy today? Grandma. Where do grandpa Sohan and Sweetie work? Now, where this grandpa Sohan and Sweetie, they were working? In the kitchen. What is the surprise for grandma? A mobile phone. Now see, now next one is question, who said the following? Now these statements are there, these questions are there, we have to say who have said this. Okay, now see, first one, are you tired grandma? Are you tired grandma? Who said this? Sohan and Sweetie. Come on Sohan, come on Sweetie. Who said this? Grandpa. Oh, a mobile phone. Now grandma said this, right? No, so grandma. But don't worry, we will all help you. Who said this? Sohan and Sweetie. So now students, hope so you have understood this story, this lesson. Now this both the question, answer the following questions, all these four, and who said the following, this four. You have to write down in your books and you have to learn it properly. Thank you.